Hi, I'm Des and I'm going to do my first watercolor tutorial for you all on these lovely watercolor pencils from Kmart. They were $5 and I just couldn't resist buying them. Got my eye on some more expensive watercolor pencils for the days to come, but I thought I'd give this a try to start with and see how I go. So that I keep and draw with me. Okay. So $5 is super duper cheap. I'm not expecting them to work very well at all, honestly, but I desperately want to do some watercolor pencil work. So here we go. The back of it, wet on dry, blah blah blah. Draw solid blocks of color, dry and wet, blah 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 blah. Okay. Pretty like a rainbow. Alright, let me get some paper. Okay. I've got Arches 300 pound. Yes, 300, which is 140 pound cold press cotton only paper, made from cotton, 100% cotton in other words. And let's start by, you know what, I'm just gonna do a thing that is gonna freak everybody out. I'm just gonna check them all out. Okay, ta-da! I did it, and I didn't die. Okay, here we go. Let's make swatches. So swatches are just samples of the color. So I'm gonna go light, dark, and then press lighter. Okay, so we've got yellow. Oh, it's crumbling away, which should be good. This tip seems soft, so hopefully that means there's a lot of color in there. Green, it's a nice green. Let's do black next, why not? Well, this tip's a little harder than the other ones. Okay, pink. Oh, that's really crumbly. I don't know if it's too crumbly. Can you have too crumbly? Red. Ooh, pretty. Do you like red? Okay, green. Oh, looks like a hooker's green. And if you don't know anything about names of watercolor things, hookers no mean a prostitute, it means color. Okay, purple. Obviously there's somebody called Hooker who made green. I don't know. I'm sure somebody will tell me. That's a nice blue. It's a nice blue. What colour is this? Garnet red. Okay. Looks brown, but whatever. Let's do this nice blue up the top here. Oh yeah, I like that one. What's that one called? Cobalt blue. And then we've got orange at, oh no, now I have to make another line. Never mind. Let's stick it up the top. Oh! Well, I guess the tip of that's soft. Alright, now I've got my Princeton No. 4 stamp brush. Dip her in some water. And just get a cloth. Yeah, here's a cloth. That's my cloth. Dip her in some water and let's start. Oh, nice. That wet up really well. Look at that. Look how far the colour travels just on one brush. Nice. Okay, that's nice. Next one. Oh, you know what? I did not expect this at all. I thought they would be really cheap and nasty, although I haven't used watercolor pencils since I was in high school, so you know, like 2 years ago. So I don't have really much to compare it against. And I can't help myself, but after this clip I'm going to be writing the names of all these colors underneath. That's quite a lot of color in there. Okay, now we've got Hooker's green. Yep, that's quite a lot of colour in there too. Look at that. Look at the way that moves around. Split that out. Okay. Yep, that's nice. And now black. Yeah, If you could see me, my face, you would see that I have my tongue poked out most of the time because it's just how I paint and concentrate. Okay. Pink. Probably needed to press harder for that one. They do travel a long way though. Okay, so red. Yeah, I could have pressed harder for red too. That's nice. Look at that. Pretty. Wait, this green looks like the other green. Does it? Does that green look like the other green? Maybe it's a drop lighter. Anyway. Okay, purple? I'm sure it's not called purple. What's it called? Oh yeah, no, it's called purple. See, with the fancier the paints are, the fancier the names get. Which is really confusing when you're just learning. Cobalt blue, one of my favourite blues. I'm so into blue. Okay. Alright. Yep, let me see if I can get all those marks off the page. It's turned completely into water paint. Oh man. I was going to have a nap later, but now I have to paint. Right. And how's this one? Yep. Nice. That's lovely. Alright, now it says they work on wet or dry paper, so I'm just going to paint a circle. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Okay. There's a circle. And I'm just going to use, which colour spread nicely? Orange. Just going to use the orange in it. Oh yeah. That's pretty deadly. Look at that. Now, to sharpen watercolour pencils, you really shouldn't use a sharpener. You need to use a Stanley knife or a craft knife or whatever you have. Because the colour is really delicate. So this is so pretty. I'm just going to play with it for a bit. Oh yeah, that's nice. I wonder if I can get all that colour out of there. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh. Okay. Now, can I move that colour around? Where I've pressed really hard down on the paper, the colour's not budging. Get more water. No, the colour's not budging from where I've pressed quite firmly with it, so you can still see the circle. Alright, okay, how about I draw a real thing? Let's draw a peach. Okay, gonna need some yellow in there. Excuse my sniffles. And touch of red. Just some more yellow. Orange. Here we go. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, be neat. Come on, be neat. Now, look, you can see all the colours are defined. And then it's the bottom of the peach. Got a little bit extra to go over here. A little some white. I'm going to put a little twig on the top. There we go. Here's my brown. I don't know a lot about peaches. I do know everybody on YouTube has been painting them, so I've been painting them too, so I've learned how to do it. Here we go. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the way that just wet. Oh, look, honestly, I'm so surprised at the results I'm getting with these. Let me, I'll just compare it to some of my watercolor paints. I'll just pop them away. Over here. Over some paints. Okay, let's try orange is in this one. Okay, so this is a more expensive orange paint. And we've got blue. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. Was it this one? There we go. She's looking very similar. Yellow. Yellow's always amazing. It's my favourite colour. Now these are my artist quality watercolour paints. Don't know if you can see them. And then I think we just got dark green. Is that the green? That's not the green. Let me try another one. Is that the green? That's not the green. Is this the green? No, that's this green though. Yep. I don't know what green that one is. Let me try this one. Is that the green? Oh my goodness. How many greens are there? Anyway, whatever. It's a nice green. Pink. Oh, this is one of my new colours. Look how pretty it is. It's called Opera Rose. Yeah. I feel you, sister. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And I've got a selection of reds, but I'll try bright red first. It seems to be this one, yeah. It's nice. And then we've got on the green. Purple. I don't know if I've got that colour. It must be violet. It looks like violet. Is it? No. Oh, maybe that one's supposed to be. I know it was garnet red, wasn't it? What colour's this one? No. It's kind of a bluey purple. What colour is that? No colour. No colour that I have. Alright. It's very bright though. It's vibrant. It's got that whoosh, knock you in the face kind of. And then this one's supposed to be cobalt blue, but I think it's more phthalo blue. Yeah. Yep. Now let me go back and just gonna re-wet this, see if that works. Yeah, it wets up again nicely. Mate, I got a bargain for $5. Bargain. Love it when I get a bargain. So does the hotspot. Now does this wet up over here? Yes. Okay, so well, I do have to say that I'm very surprised that these $5 colours from Kmart are actually quite good. And if you're a kid or yourself are wanting to get into watercolours or painting or drawing or whatever, and you want a good something to get you started, I'd start with those. When I am able to, I'm going to buy a Derwent set, because I hear they're probably the best for watercolours. Okay, so that initial line's not washing you out. And you just, when you get them, you just have to play with them and work out how you can use them, how best you can use them. Now, don't forget, I've used this on cotton, 100% cotton paper, which is really important when you're starting out, because most of the mistakes you make are the paper's fault. Let me see. It's kind of, Yeah, I would say definitely beginner, intermediate level. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Give me some feedback if you know what that color is. Like, it's not, is it indigo? Wait, hang on 1 second. I've got indigo. Is this indigo? No. I just got it recently. No. All right, well. Okay, we tried our best. All right, thank you, and I hope to do some more videos soon.